This video will cover OneSearch, which will give you access to all of our online resources, as well as a listing of our physical resources found at BMCC's library. To access OneSearch, you can find it on the home page in this location here. There are two ways to use OneSearch. You can do a general search query by typing in your keywords in the search box here, or, which we suggest, a more customized advanced search by clicking the advanced search link here. Using the advanced search allows you to customize and get to a more desired set of resources faster. You can start by clicking here. If you want to just do a general search through our resources, you would leave it here where it says any field. But if you know the title, the author, the subject, or the ISBN number, you can click on these and get to your desired resource faster. Let's conduct a general search query. Let's say that I was doing research on the death penalty law in the state of Texas. My main subject, the death penalty law, would go here. This second column, if you click here, you see three conjunctions, and or not. This allows you to filter your search query and customize it to meet your need. So it could be the death penalty law or another law, the death penalty law, not X. But for our case, it's the death penalty law in the state of Texas. So we would leave the conjunction and here and put Texas there. And now click search. So this search query resulted in 56,218 results. Now, OneSearch allows you to filter the resources by limited to peer-reviewed journals, full-text online resources, or sources that we have in our physical collection, or open access source. You can also filter it by the resource type. So if you just wanted articles, you can filter it here. Audiovisual sources, you can filter it there. Book chapters, or books, or conference proceedings. And so you can filter it by the source, a peer-reviewed journal, full text, or the resource type. Let's limit it to articles. So now we have filtered our result list down to 32,129. Now, you can continue to filter it even further by scrolling down here. So let's say you only wanted articles that were published no later than the year 2015. So if you go here where it says date, so it's from and to. So you can click the beginning date, which is 1800. You can change that to 2015. Click here where it says refine. Now we filter it down to 3,269 results. You can also filter it further through topic, subject, language. So if you wanted to just limit it to law topics, constitutional law, criminal law and procedure, or government topics or resources, then you can click there. Let's limit it to criminal law and procedure. Now you can apply filters here. So now we are down to 376 resources.